Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We're gonna continue the Billie Eilish train here with the song called Blue, which is actually my favorite song here from her latest releases there. So Blue, very nice, good vibes in this song. Let's learn this together. No need for any capo here. We have, what I can see, 6 different chords. Yes. So let's take a look at the chords, starting with C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D coming up there, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we have A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And these first 4 chords are the main part of the song, what I believe is the main playable part of the song. All right, then we have 2 more chords that will go back and forth, and that is the C minor and the G chord. So C minor is a bar chord. You play a bar here, index finger on the 3rd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, but the 5 strings below you have 2, and then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. That's the C minor, and we also have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. That is the usual G chord we're going to use here in Going Guitar, but since we have the C minor like this, that's a bar chord, and you're only going to switch between the C minor and G for the rest of the song at a certain point later. You could also go with this G chord instead. Perhaps that is more convenient for you. Since you already need to have a bar chord, you can just move up to this G. So that is still a bar chord, 3rd fret. You're gonna bar all strings this time, and you pretty much just follow up with the same grip to get the G chord. So bar on 3rd or all strings, and then 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. So you go either this chord, this G bar chord, or the standard G. It's up to you. You choose. Let's take a look at the song. So we have this main part here, C, E minor, D, A minor. And we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the C, one strumming round will go like this. All right. So it's down, up, clap, up. That's the first half of it. So down, up, clap, up. Then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, clap, up. Gonna do one of these per chord in the order C, E minor, D, A minor. You're gonna do that from the beginning till 1 minute and 50 seconds into the song. So a couple of rounds goes. And I really like this vibe here in this song when she sings to this. It's beautiful. So C, E minor, D, A minor. That is what you're gonna play with this string pattern till 1 minute and 50 seconds into the song. From that point, you're gonna just move between C minor and G. So first, you just gotta play 1 down per chord. Okay, so C minor, 1 down, big pauses there. You could go with 2 downs, shorter pauses in between. You're gonna listen for it, but it's enough. Just 1 down. It just really settles down the song. And C minor 1, G1, like this till 3 minutes and 55 seconds into the song. So it's a good 2 minutes just like this. 1 down or 2 down per chord. And at that point then, 3 and 55, somewhere around that point, you're gonna still continue with the C minor and G, but now it adds up a little bit with the rhythm. So we're gonna learn a new string pattern. So if you grab the C minor, one string around will be a pretty long one, but it's two halves that are very similar, so don't be afraid. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna start 2 down ups. Then clap, up, down, up. That's the first half of it. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you do a short pause there, and imagine if you just would continue with a down there, you take that down away and do the pause during that short period of time. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause. And then you continue with up, down, up. As if you would do 2 rounds in the same way. You started with down, up, clap, up, down, up. You take away the first down of that for the second round and just continue the same way. So short pause and you continue up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, if that makes sense. So pretty much 2 rounds of down, up, clap, up, down, up. But on the second round, you take away the first down. That is what I'm trying to explain. So slowly it goes like this. And in tempo. And you're actually gonna play 2 of these per chord till the very end. So C minor 2, G2, back and forth like this. So. All right, so that is the ending of Billie Eilish song called Blue. I really like this one. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And if it was helpful, please support me on Growing Guitar. Leave me a thumb up this tutorial and subscribe to this channel. Would make my day. So thank you and play tuned.